Hello everyone, this is my output in library system with database, so let's run it. So this is my design. So mag-add naman tayo ng mga book. So let's say 10 quantity and add. Then yan, book added successfully. Then refresh lang. Ayan. So add pa tayo. Say 8 copies. So ayan, refresh. Ayan yung mga books. So try naman natin mag-edit. Palitan natin yung quantity ng 15. Save. Then refresh. So ayan, napalitan ng 15. So sa delete book naman, for example, yung una, delete. Then click the yes, then punta tayo sa access if dito yung mga results. Yan. That's all. Thank you.